Okay, so where are we going now?
To the ferry first.
Oh, to the ferry. And what happened? Are we going to sleep inside the ferry?
Yeah, for 1 week.
Not 1 week, for one night.
Yeah, 1 night.
And where are we going for holiday?
France.
To France.
Yeah, France.
Are we staying in a house or are we staying in a
Tent.
caravan?
Caravan.
How long will we stay there?
For 1 whole week.
1 week only?
No,
2 weeks.
No, 1 whole week. That week is 7.
7 days, yes. And then? 1 more week?
Who's coming to visit us?
Is that 2 weeks? Yeah, we're staying in that 2 weeks.
Yeah,
Total of
2 weeks.
14 days.
Yeah.
And who will come and visit us? Eric,
Juliet.
Juliet, Sophie and Sam. So have a look. So let's see the trailer, Daddy. And with the bike on top. Where's Freddy's bike?
In there.
Or inside the trailer? Alright. So we got all our luggage inside the trailer.
Yes.
All our food. All our clothes. And what's on top of the car?
Daddy's windsurfer.
Daddy's windsurfer. Alright.
And your
Okay.
2 bikes too. Mummy,
we need
this
to go and
time
get a
can you do numbers? This time can you do numbers?
Yeah, that we can. Okay, so you say bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm going for holiday.
Happy holidays.
Bye.
Bye.